Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use text around rectangle shape in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then create your document or open your own document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I used to text around rectangle shape. At first I have to draw a rectangle shape. Select this rectangle shape, then draw a rectangle. Then you can see here are text tool. Now select this type on a path tool. Now click this rectangle shape on type on a path tool, and you can see here are plus icon. Now I click here. Now write your text or paste your text. Now select this selection tool. Now you can see I use text around rectangle shape in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.